Rise and shine, all I and I. So I had to transfer some of my plants way over here, and it hasn't been getting that much sunlight, so we have to revive them. And so now what I'm doing is just transferring them all into their separate containers, since they are a little bit big enough to be in its own, like it's already a seedling. I should have already had did that, but hey, we're doing it now. So yeah, I have 10 of them, and that's what we're going to be doing, transferring these. Okay, this is the progress of them. I'm transferring all of them that are seedlings. This is all squash. I really do not know what this plant is. I'm gonna have to wait until it further pops up to identify that one. But this is so far. And then we're going to plant some other seeds in the other two containers. Alright, so we have 4 containers left for the moment. And we're just going to do 2 cucumber and 2 sunflower. I know I said I did sunflower last week down there, but yeah, I might have to figure out what I'm gonna do. The monkeys, the neighbors, the different critters and stuff, pull them out. And yeah, so this is why I'm doing it in the container, so I can just pull them out when the sun come, or just pull them out right in the rising and then take them back inside as I'm like traveling or whatever the case may be. So let's do 2 cucumber and 2 sunflower.
I had forgot to put holes in the bottom of the containers before I put the soil in, so that's what I'm doing now, poking holes all around. Well, this is a good spot. I feel that it can thrive without it being bothered, tampered with. You know, it could really nurture itself around its other families, i.e. other green foliage, grass, other plants. So this is a nice area right here. Let's cross our fingers. Let's hope and affirm that our plants can grow in peace in this area.
This is my discreet space that I'm putting them in between, like the big grass. So it's like you can't really like see it. For the little children, the youth, or whatever who wants to decide they want to mess up my little plants that I'm trying to grow, they really can't see it right here. I'm gonna actually put some more foliage, like stuff like this. Put that around it like that, so they won't like notice. But yeah.
Sending love, light, and healing to you on your journey. Feel free to donate to the restoration of the Garden of Eden. Your donation will contribute to a bountiful harvest for all of I and I. Thank you for your love and support.